smiling in the silence, wondering if you
Nabago lahat. Parang sobrang blessing talaga siya sa amin na ang tagal namin inantay.
play another song in your driveway. I've got
Alam po namin, Panginoon, naririto ka sa aming kalagitnaan dahil sabi mo sa Sinta, kung saan may 2 o 3 na nakakatipon sa kanyang pangalan, you are here in the midst of us.
make me an offer, you know I can't turn away. It's warm in the water, jump in the way.
Life-changing. Lagi ko nga sinasabi, parang nire-redefine niya kung sino kami. Kasi parang binigyan niya kami ng panibagong definition as father, as parent, as mother also.
Welcome to Kaifer's first birthday party!
Won't you come with me? We'll go ride the breeze, singing "C'est la vie." It feels just right. It's a brand new.
Thank you kasi kahit effortless, wala ka pang ginagawa. Pero hindi mo alam yung gravity nung binibigay mo sa amin as parents.
Let's tell the world about it. Help spread a little light. It all comes back around. It feels so good.
Thank you for removing all our stress at work. Makita ka lang namin kahit gano'ng ka-stressful yung work namin. Nawawala lahat. Gusto din ni Mami na kalingi ka kasi parang love na love mo si Mami sa kasi Daddy.
Take my hand, we'll go cue the band for a song and dance. We'll go all night.
Maraming salamat na dumating ka sa buhay namin. And hopefully, in the future, balikan mo to and ma-realize mo kung gano'n ka namin ka super.
Let's tell the world about it. Help spread a little light. It all comes back around.
Very exciting na this is your first year and still looking forward dun sa mga many years to come na i-celebrate natin together.
You can give it whoever you want to be. Susupport ka lang namin, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Kaifer!
Happy birthday, Kaifer! God bless you!
Anak, tagal ka namin inintay. Sana alam mo kung gaano ka-important sa aming dalawa. Gusto ko sana lumaki kang happy kid. Pero most importantly, gusto ko maging masaya ka.
Up hills and over mountains, they'll know it far and wide. It all comes back around. It feels so good to be alive.